no gold is not enough.
Good morning, people. Today we are going to get our car that stuck yesterday. So we are stopped at the main road, and with the villagers here and all the people here, we are helping each other to repair the road. This is all the villagers that taking care of the road, right? So this is the main road that we use. So all the villagers use this road, maintained by ourselves. Yeah.
Kerja kau ini mesti ngomong itu kerja. Besok saya dua terus saya di kerja ini. Kalau lumbung tu pakai jalan.
Finally, we are at our farm. Here we go. Here we are. Parked our car here. It's kind of descend a bit, but after we talk to the villagers outside there and give them a shout out to them, they're good teamwork. We can join them, but we have a little job. So basically what we're doing here is just dig the mud, the soft area of the mud, that so that you get a hard surface below and kind of make it level a bit, so our car will be easier to climb this later on. This is some of the mud that we throw here. We don't put it on the road. Okay. Basically just do it like this, leveling up.
Halo Joen, Joen tidur sini sama naman. Karena tidak boleh naik ini guys. Ini Big Bro mau tolong Joen nih. Ini bata-bata guys, karena kita susah mau ambil batu ke jalan. Kita ambil bata sekejap lah.
Ya.
Oke, bata sekejap. Itu saya punya ya.
Kamu punya kah?
Ya. Kita mau simpan sini lah, repe-repe sini.
First thing first.
First thing first, guys. We use glove.
Glove, safety.
Nah, nunggu je nampak.
Buka dulu. Oh.
Tengok dia tu. Mau pakai dengan
is our number
suami.
one priority.
Lagi.
Okay.
Nah, mana mukanya?
Good looking, right? Who is this good looking guy?
Kita mau buang ini sedikit, guys. Yang ini apa nih? Nenek. Okay, guys.
You just gonna
Throw it
like that.
Okay. Jangan sampai kena join sana, guys. Okay, kita buat kerja dulu, guys. Okay, Joy. Okay.
Yeah, good job, people.
Okay, guys, kita naik lagi, guys. Ada legend tunggu di atas, guys.
Rainbow. Okay.
Yang baju biru tidak, yang hijau tuh Rainbow.
Legend juga tuh.
Upsi. Itu dia, guys. Ya, puji Tuhan, guys. Kita sudah
Puji
naik,
Tuhan, dapat
guys.
naik.
Oke. Ini yang pembawa ada nih.
Oh yeah.
Suami saya
I'm
nih.
so excited. We finally get out from the stuck. And it's all hard work from my dad and my wife. I just do a little bit only because I'm so fat already. Plus my knees, my ankle, leg, I cannot do much work.
Selalu terselia,
Terselia.
guys.
So I have to be careful. Otherwise, I'm gonna make my wife hard, and I always ask her to carry me. I'm already overweight. All right, let's move on. Let's go out.
Ini licin, guys. Kita lajak dulu. Ternyata tidak dapat, guys. Kita stuck sini lagi, guys. Aduh, sana saja kita repe tadi. Rupa-rupanya sini juga. Sini, guys. Tengok suami lagu apa dah. Ya kan, kau hina diriku. Aku tidak malu tentang kamu, sayang. Aku bangga dengan kamu, sayangku.
Saya tak tahu apa lagi liriknya.
Oh, guys, kita lagu-lagu saja, guys. Oke. Saya pergi panggil tu Rainbow tadi. Dia tunggu atas sana rupanya. Tidak disangka kita sangkut sini, guys. Oke.
Inside, I stay inside the car while they're outside there, and I'm trying to record from here. give you guys that perspective. All right. Oh, they're the strongest woman. Oh my gosh.
Okay, to there mo. Ut. You can do it. You can do it. You can. Yes. Yes, Lord. Yes. Oh God. Yes, thank you, Lord. Yeah. Kita pergi sini ya. Ini batu. Cing. Oh yes God, thank you God. Sini pun jalan jahat guys. Hari-hari hujan guys. Bagus hari ini, cerah. Buat betul hujan malam tadi guys.
Oh.
Tanah belum suar nih guys.
Avalanche, guys, avalanche. See, there's been a huge avalanche here. Oh my gosh, that's so. Yeah, so dangerous. Asking my wife to go and buy some stuff. Now it's 2 p.m. and we just send our palm fruit to the mill, and we're going to do some shopping at the for your eye like that. Alright, bye. Be safe, stay hygiene. Love you.
Dadah ya, tak apa lah dadah.
Yeah.
Sambit dadah ya.
Bit cute nih. So basically our job is done for today, and tomorrow is the next adventure. She's going to buy at the shop there. Oh my god, what's that? Let me watch it for you guys. Alright. Okay. Hi.
Hai guys. Saya beli fishball dengan dada ayam.
Thank you, Yang. Thank you. Alright. Now we just wait for our takeaway, yeah?
Takeaway.
Alright, our takeaway is arrived. Let's see what we have. We're gonna pamper ourselves because we work hard today. Wow, I have the mee gorengs.
Mie goreng.
Mee gorengs.
Semestinya dengan suami.
Yeah, and this one is what?
Nasi goreng.
Nasi goreng, guys. Just playing with you. goreng. Let's see. Wow,
Nasi goreng
wow,
ada
wow.
sambalnya guys dengan shallot.
Wow, there's salad also.
Yeah.
This is so
It's nasi
nice.
goreng guys.
So fancy. Anchovy and chicken, a little bit of green peas, and what we have? Carrots and corn and sambal. Wow.
Salad.
And salad. That's so fancy. Alright.
Okay guys. Okay.
Alright. This is just a normal fried noodle.
Yes.
Nothing fancy, just a normal one, but it tastes really good, guys. Get the smell first. Oh my god, the fragrance. Still hot.
Memang terbaik di ladang guys.
It is so good. My god. Oh my god.
Oh yes. Oh wow.
Wow.
Okay guys. Nasi goreng lagi guys.
Nasi goreng.
Sini dari ladang ni guys.
This is the
Nasi
best.
goreng dia the best semua lah guys.
Yeah.
Nasi goreng dia ada sambal guys, ada salad dia. Tu dia.
Oh yeah. That is not a fake face. Yeah. That is not a fake face. This is really, really good.
Semestinya dari ladang guys.
Yes. With a little bit of sambal.
Sambal dia memang la. Yeah.
A little bit of the salad.
Ya guys, saya
Salad.
terliur ni sudah guys. Tengok sambalnya ni. Oh yes, sambalnya.
Oh yeah.
Dulu guys, nasi goreng dia penuh nih guys. Sekarang ni dia half. Mungkin dia budget dia itu
Dia mau
kurangkan sedikit karena COVID-19 ni mungkin guys.
Yeah, last time it was.
Last time, ayo penuh guys. Nasi goreng dia lah dengan mie goreng dia banyak dia simpan.
Sekarang sini saja.
Ya sekarang ni standard saja.
Standard saja.
But taste is same.
I'm sweating cause the sambal so hot.
So hot.
Spicy.
Spicy guys. Okay guys, kita makan dulu guys.
Peace, yeah.
Peace you.
See you guys afterward. Alright, let me slow down the music. We just arrived at our mom farm from the mill just now. We just ate and just want to check it out here for a while. Let's go see. Some chili, bird eye chili, papaya, nice little flower. Nothing fancy, just a natural nature. And I really what I like is this view. I never get tired to see this view. Awesome view. Awesome mountain. Just get let's kill this mosquito. This is I believe this is dengue. I don't know what is in English, but I think this is the one that can get you sick. Slap it. this type of it. Yeah, this type. We safely arrived home. We're gonna wrap the video today. For today, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our channel, and don't forget to hit that bell icon on the left side, and you will get the newest video that we upload. Thank you guys again. Peace, y'all. Just found this. What type of frog is this, guy? What type of frog is that? It's a huge frog, man.